Welcome to the Long Run with Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
Today we are going to do a 2-week grocery haul.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so we're starting right here. Okay, so we're getting coffee. It's been a few months since I bought any, and I am drinking it about 1 cup a day. And the last time we got Maxwell House, because it was actually on sale and it was cheaper than this, but it's gone back to being the generic has the better price. There we go. 20.7 cents per ounce. And this is 24.7 cents per ounce. So, you know, like I said, most of the time generic is going to be your cheaper option, but not always. If something's on rollback, maybe it will be cheaper. So always do the math. You never know. We're growing 1 bag of the unbleached flour. It's $2.12 for the bag. Okay, we're also going to grab some rolled oats. It's for a new recipe I'm going to try. Looks like it's $2.48. We didn't scan it, but that's what it says on there. Okay, so we forgot our mic pack, but we're going to try to go through this while the music isn't playing. We got eggs, and they were $3.37. That's back down a little bit, so we're moving in the right direction. Almond milk, which was $2.44. The heavy whipping cream should be $4.98.
Yep.
It's the only thing I put in my coffee. I don't buy creamer or anything else for it. That's for Joel for his lunches. $6.72.
Yep.
And breakfast sausage, that's for a recipe I'm going to try. $4.48. And then andouille sausage, and that's for another recipe. I think that's for a penne pasta with veggies and sausage, which we have shared on the channel before. It's really, really good. And it's a great one as we start moving into some warmer weather. Hopefully, y'all are starting to see warmer weather by the time you actually see this grocery haul video. Today, it's a little chilly here, but this is Orlando. It'll be warm in a couple of days. So by the time we get to the recipe, it should be warm.
It won't scan. I'm gonna say it's $3.98.
It's probably $3.98, but he said it won't scan. But that's I think that's what we've been paying, $3.98.
Flour's $2.12.
The flour's $2.12, which I think I recorded that one.
Okay.
And the max pork rinds is $1.96. We did check that against the price of pork rinds at Sam's Club, and it's cheaper to buy them here in the Max brand. We got Pop-Tarts for our son, and they didn't have the generic brand. They didn't have the Great Value brand, so we got this. But you know what? I think I may have a rebate on some app. I'll put it on the screen. I don't remember at the moment, but I feel like I have a rebate for Kellogg's Pop-Tarts, so I may get a little bit back. And we're getting some penne pasta for that recipe that I just mentioned a few minutes ago, 98 cents. Okay, and we're getting some Ragu Simply, $1.96. And we use that from anything from actual marinara to pizza sauce. Okay, and Joel's been home more eating sandwiches, so we need some pickles.
Yep.
That says $2.94 for that jar?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so we're grabbing this mild salsa. We think it looks like this is not in the right place. It looks like it's supposed to be right here. I'll pick that up. Hold on. Just based off what that says right there, and what that says right there, this box is probably supposed to be right here, so it's $2.12, we think. And here we are putting it back. We didn't leave it on the floor. Okay, getting 4 bananas. I am starting to feel a lot better. I do think I was low on potassium and maybe some other electrolytes. I also got some hydration stuff, making sure I'm getting my electrolytes in. 58 cents per pound. $4.98. $4.98. This is $1.47. This is $1.47. It's a French bread. Hey, what are these? White. What does it say? What are these?
Bolilos. Bolilos. I don't know.
Alright, so Joel is trying something different for his sandwich bread because there was only one pack of the ciabatta rolls and he said they didn't look too good, so he decided to grab this one instead. There's 6, which should be more than enough for his lunches. So, okay, guys, this is why we tell you to do the math. Okay, so I'm gonna get like 2 sweet potatoes. I don't need a lot of sweet potatoes anyway, but as you can see, it's on rollback 88 cents. Here is a 3-pound bag, and like the assumption might be that the bag of potatoes is the better deal. But if you look at there, with that right there, what it says, 94.7 cents per ounce. So that's basically 95 cents per ounce, but it's only 88 cents if you buy them single. Now it does say normally it's 98 cents, so normally it would be a better deal, but today it's not. That's why you have to look at your unit cost and also be willing to divide it, make sure it's right. But a lot of times a deal might be better if you do it with the singles. Also, we got some Parmesan cheese. It was $5.14, I think he said. Some cilantro, and it was $1.28 for the bunch. Okay, $1.28 for cilantro.
68 cents for the lemon.
68 cents for a lemon.
82 cents for the orange.
And 82 cents for an orange. The orange is for the feijoada, which we'll be making soon, so we wanted to wait to get to the orange until right before we were going to make it. So that's what that is.
All right, so there's our Walmart grocery haul, and this is the total right here of $74.28. And we do have to make one stop at Sam's for a couple of things.
Okay, guys, so we're going to grab one of these containers. It's $12.32. You might be thinking, how are they going to stay fresh? They are in 3 individual bags, so you can just open one at a time. Joel wanted Fritos this time, and so this was $4.48.
All right, so there's our haul from this week.
Yes, and by the way, yes, we have on different clothes. And the reason why was because last week when we bought our groceries at Sam's Club, it was raining when we came out.
Yep.
That's right. So now we're doing the outro for this haul in the clothes that you'll see us in next week for the grocery haul.
All right.
Okay.
So this is the total for the week, and this is what we have left, and then that's out of a budget of $600 for 3 adults. And let's go to our meal plan.
All right, so like we said, this is a 2-week haul. We're actually starting off with just some leftovers and breakfast foods and stuff, whatever we can find. And then the next day, we're going to make feijoada.
All right, and then we'll have leftovers from that.
Yes, we should have leftovers. It says it serves like 8 people, so we should be good. And then we're going to try something new that's called Parmesan chicken. Now, we've had Parmesan chicken before, but this recipe says that it's inspired by a Julia Child version of Parmesan chicken, which is called something different, and it's written in French normally. But this is basically what it is, but we're going to be trying that version. So it's going to be a little on the decadent side.
Okay. And then we're going to have a low-carb taco soup.
Yep. And then we'll have leftovers.
And then we're going to do homemade pizza because that's Saturday night.
That's right. And then we're going to do a spatchcock chicken, which is just taking a whole chicken and cutting the backbone out so that it lays flat. But we're basically making a whole chicken.
And then we'll take the leftovers from that, and we're going to do a chicken and wild rice soup.
Yep, which Joel's super excited about.
Yes,
One of his favorite.
Yep.
Leftovers.
And then we're going to do breakfast bake sheet pan.
Yeah, that's also a try something new. We're trying to do some breakfast recipes. We did have a request from Sensible Living with Money Mom, Dawn, for us to do like some breakfast recipes. So we're going to do that as a dinner because we think you can eat breakfast for dinner too.
Yep.
But we may do the video for that in conjunction with a couple of other breakfast recipes. So it may be like 2 or 3 breakfast recipes in one video.
Correct.
Yeah.
And then we'll do cheesy chicken.
Then leftovers.
And homemade pizza.
Mm-hmm. And then we're going to finish off with a penne pasta with veggies and sausage. Now, quite a few of these recipes we have done before, unless we said the words try something new. And they're probably in our recipe playlist. I will link them down in the description. But we thought it might be cool just to, let you vote for any of them.
Yeah.
So if you have never seen them or whatever, and you'd like to see a recipe, then just let us know down in the comments. The one that is voted for the most, or mentioned the most, I should say, in a comment, will be potentially an upcoming recipe of the week video. And like we said, if you're familiar with us, we usually have like a recipe alert icon, and you didn't see that. That's because we're just saying, if you don't want to wait, look in the description. But if you want to see us do like a fresh new version of it, then comment it below.
That's right.
Okay? All right. Also, you may see a few changes upcoming soon in April with how we do our grocery haul videos, meal planning videos, and recipe of the week videos. And it'll be just for April for sure. Just kind of test the waters and see how things work out with doing them different. And if we don't, as in us and you, don't particularly care for the new way we do it, then we will put it back in May.
Yep.
Yeah.
That's right. All right, so go ahead and check out one of our other videos we're going to put right here. I'm not going to tell you which one it is. You go click that.
Because we don't know. Whatever.
As soon as we do this last thing here that we always do, go click it. That's how I'm going to do it today for Long Run Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
I'm Christy.
Don't forget the long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye.
All right, so that's our grocery haul for the week.
That's right.
Actually, for the next 2 weeks.
Yeah, it's a 2-week haul.
Why are we doing this now? We still got to go to Sam's.
Oh, I don't know.
Okay.